let's go on to do the question. If you have actually your worksheet or printed out this worksheet, that will be best you can refer to. If not, we can just look at the slides. All right. Okay, where is let's start with your first question. We're gonna still practice on our problem sum, and mostly it will involve your addition and subtraction. This time round, same thing like every other like the previous few lessons, we try to use models to help you to see the question and visualize and understand the question better. Okay, but right now let's try the fraction first. I'll let you have the, let's see if you can do the working for me. Okay, do you want to try with your pen, your first question? Hold on, yeah. The thing is, I know you know the answer is 1, but you have to also show. So basically, you got 3 plus 1 plus 1, right? So you have to write.
Equals 4, then
Yeah.
plus 1 equals 5, then equals to 5 out of 5. Then
So 5 out of 5, you have to put, and then equals to 1. Okay. So don't just write 1, write the whole thing out. Okay. Let's see. Wait, I'm gonna change my color pen because it's gonna be okay. This one now, let's try. No calculator, yeah. All this will be in working. Hold on a second, just give me a minute. Do the first one. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. 9 plus 2. So you get oh, you're typing now, okay. So you can just write 11 over 12. Okay, let's try the second one, B. Have your teacher taught you how to reduce to lowest term? Not yet. Okay. Now, your question C is a bit different. If you know 6 whole, you got a whole number. So basically, you just need to add in to the fraction first. You can solve a fraction for this one first, and then you can add in your whole number later. What's your answer for your C? How do you get 11? What's 4 plus 1?
5.
Yeah. So you got so you got 5 over 14. How come your font so tiny? You can adjust to bigger font. Okay, 5
How?
over 14. You got 1 6 whole number here, so you just need to add in your 6. You write it down. Oh, someone just came in. All right, so now I know you might not have learned how to reduce lowest term yet, but I'm going to show you one example. If you look at your B, all right, your B, if you reduce to lowest term, usually you just want to look at the simplest form, which is the lowest term, which is, let's say, 2. You need to know your numerator and your denominator, whether is it divisible by the most basic number 2. So if 10 can divide by 2, which will give you 5, your 16 can divide by 2 also, which will give you 8. If you know that they cannot reduce anymore to the lowest term, 5 over 8 will be your lowest term, would be your lowest answer, okay? But that is only when you learn how to reduce to the lowest term. All right. Okay, welcome, Rashan. You probably missed a few of the questions, but never mind, you can play back the video. So your answer 11 over 12, 10 over 16 equals to 5 over 8. Reduce your lowest term, just divide by 2, divide by 2, all the way until you can no longer divide. And then, of course, you have 6, 5 over 14. Okay. All right, let's try the next one. Both of you can give me your answer separately. Okay, one of you write the answer on the other side. I need to charge my laptop. Hold on. Okay. Well, it's gonna be a bit dark, but I've only got 2 plugs, so. Rashan, did you get any test results back? Did you have any tests? Yes, no? Any school tests? Over already? Can you hear me or not, Rashan?
And my one is mute.
Sorry?
My one just now was mute.
Oh, yeah.
I
So
have a test result. HA.
you have a what?
I had HA.
Sorry, what's your result?
My result is full mark for the 2.
Oh, that's good. Okay, easy, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
So let's look at your first one. Please be careful. Sometimes you might not notice your denominators that are not the same. So your first one, all your denominators are the same. What you need to do, 8 minus 4 minus 3 will give you 1/20. Okay,
Accidentally erased.
sorry?
Accidentally erased my.
Yeah, I just noticed that because I thought you wrote it already. All right, so your first one is 1/20. Second one, if you notice your denominator, one of it is 12. So how do you change that?
One will be 624.
Very good. So how do you get 624? You times 2 to make it to 24. Very good. So here you get 6. So 22 minus 7 minus 6. So what will you get?
9.
Okay, so 9/24. Do you think you can reduce that to the lowest term?
No.
Are you sure?
Wait, can. No, now I notice it. It's 3, 8, I think. Wait, let me see.
So you find a common factor. When you can divide by the common factor, divide by 3, you get 3. 24 divided by 3, you get?
3, 8.
Yes. So try the last one.
Last one is so easy. 2, 2, 4.
So you got the last one, 3 whole minus 1, 4 minus 1, 4. Now, if in this case you see 1, 4 and 1, 4, you need to get one whole number out into a same denominator as what you have here. So if you take one whole number out, you left 2. So basically 2, 4/4. Okay, 4/4 is 1 whole. So 2, 4/4, 1 whole plus 2, you get back 3, right? So just to backtrack. So here's 2, 4/4 minus your 1/4 minus 1/4. So 4 minus 1 minus 1 will get you 2/4. So if you get your 2 whole, remain 2/4. Now 2/4 we can still reduce the lowest term. Make sure you can divide by a common factor, which is 2 here. So 2 divided by 2, your 2 whole still remain. 2 divided by 2, you get 1. 4 divided by 2, you get 2. So your answer is 2, 1/2. Okay, Valerie? Can see, yeah? All right. All right, there we go. Let's try the next one, number 4.
4.
Yeah, you can do the working each one side. Find your missing number.